One of the issues that these vehicles had is the fact that when you've got it in 4-low and you're doing a little bit of off-road and it starts to flex a lot, these things would pop out of gear because that stock linkage left a lot to be desired. So we got with our buddies over at Azzy Design Works. They've got a great fix for that, and you take a look at that, right? Now that's a good strong piece, so you got good strong linkage. It's going to bend and flex, and that's going to keep this vehicle in gear. That's nice, and it goes in nice and simple too.
Yeah, it's a nice simple fix for these unibody vehicles, which are prone to that. Now, since we were working with them, we decided, you know what, let's customize this thing a little bit, especially because we wanted to make, well, a one-off truck for this guy, because there's nothing like it out there in the marketplace, that's for sure. Now, Azzy's Design Works also makes a number of faceplates for different gauge clusters. This one being out of a Jeep Wrangler, this out of a Comanche or an older Cherokee, this for a 97 and up Cherokee. And since we've got the conversion in this truck, that's the cluster that's going to go inside. But the other thing we found, which is really a gem, is the badging right here. So this is basically the best badge we could find searching everywhere for the past 6 months. This is what they make. They recreate that badge. So you don't want to take a brand new looking truck, fresh paint, and slap this on the side of it, especially on the fender. So this is going to make this truck look brand new. It's all the little details that make the difference, and that's what these guys are all about.
But right now, we need to go to break, so that gives us a good time to start getting in on the install of this.
I like it.
All right?
I like these keychains, too.
Yeah, those are cool. And the foam. Look at that.